2, 3, go. Bumbucklock, brother. I may tell you bumbucklock, man, brother.
Listen me. You know what? Don't even listen me. Just go ahead and watch the videos. And trust me, you can't like the video from now because you're gonna be laughing so till tears start fall from your eye.
Taps and roses, guys. Taps and roses.
Go look at work, drunk. Yeah, you know make one. Go look at work, drunk. Every day come by the bed. Go work. You need to go look at work, dog shit. Come off the internet, drunk. And every day you get up, you come, they beg. Taps and roses, taps and roses. Go suck someone, go look at work. Dirty boy. You are destruction to society.
What?
Go work, drunk. You have 2 on a foot. You have on a foot, go work. Tap beg on the internet, drunk. You're too dirty and careless. Go and look at work.
Yo, at this point, I blame them up. We are just using it. We are just peasants. On TikTok. Or TikTonia. Go look at work, Jankro. Yeah, go work right now.
Lift up. Lift up all Saddamangoro. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up all Saddamangoro. Move. Saddamite, move. Go look at work, Jankro. Yeah, you know make one. Go look at work, Jankro. Every day come by the bed. Go work. You need to go look at work, dog shit. Come off the internet, drunk. Go look at work, drunk. Go look at work, dog shit. You don't have no ambition. Go look at work. You're destroyed.
Big spiff inna me hand. Yeah, me a billy millions. Yeah, more money, yeah. More money, my plan. Roll up a spliff when me feel like. Take all your girl when me feel like. Do for bank full of money, rich life. All me really want a the rich life. Roll up a spliff when me feel like. Take all your girl when me feel like. Do for bank full of money, rich life. Man, I work.
Let me tell you this. You see love, it no discriminate. You see green card, it no hate. Rasta saying at the long borderline, him not turn up and wait. He ma come America and he ma come straight. So Donald Trump have to fly the gate. Rasta look happy in a fatty boom boom kum lap the door. Hold them Rasta.
With a move with a speed, I gun the beast. I come in, lick down police, I grung. The runner jiffy be my tail wheel, I rub no feel. I stunt money stink like seed, that chunk with see.
Yo, police a hold on for dear life. At least him never get licked down the ground. But who wrong? The cop or the driver? Is really a bad word, or is how we use it that make it a bad word? Why me ask? Watch this.
2, 3, go. Bumbucklock, brother. I may tell you bumbucklock, man, brother.
Real dolly. Real dolly. Real dolly. If them are no Barbie, them are no dolly.
Put him. Boat, no, boat. Ano move on? Get him! Get him! Yeah, telling about him.
The dish run away with the spoon. The cow jump over the moon. The little boy laughed to see such fun, and the dish run. Yo, you can't take Jamaican serious enough. Watch this.
LT, zoom up, see there, lie down, turn up, or dead. Blood, blood.
Good Lord. Yo, so much stuff going on in this video. However, if you watch it multiple times and focus on a different person each time, trust me, you laugh harder every goddamn time.
Go look at work, drunk. Yeah, you know make one. Go look at work, drunk. Every day come by the bed. Go work. You need to go look at work, dog shit. Come off the internet, drunk. Go look at work, drunk. Go look at work.